Morning everyone. Today I'm going to discuss about chapter 2 electrochemistry. Electrochemistry is branch of chemistry which deals with conversion of chemical energy into electrical energy or electrical energy into chemical energy. For this purpose we use a device which is called cell. Okay. A cell is a device which is used to convert electrical energy into chemical energy or chemical energy into electrical energy. Now, based on this function, we can divide a cell in two types. First is electrolytic cell, and second is galvanic cell or voltaic cell. Galvanic or voltaic cell. See, purpose of electrolytic cell is to convert electrical energy into chemical energy, or in simple words, you can say when electric current is passed through a solution electrolyte, electrical energy is converted into chemical energy, then chemical reaction takes place, and in galvanic or voltaic cell, first chemical reaction takes place, and then potential difference generated, and that causes electric current. Now, for the construction of electrolytic cell, construction of an electrolytic cell. In this type of cell, in a container, we take an electrolyte, and two solid rods merged in this electrolyte solution. Obviously, that rod must be of inert material like graphite or platinum. Sometimes we use metal rods also, but that is called active electrode. Because if we are using metal electrode, then that metal can participate in chemical reaction. And then these electrodes are connected to electrical device, you can say battery. So the electrode attached with positive terminal of battery is acquires positive charge, and the electrode attached with negative terminal of battery acquires negative charge. Okay. And in electrolyte solution, suppose that salt is AB, so it will dissociate into respective ions, A plus and B minus. Electrolyte is the substance which allows passage of electricity either in molten state or in the aqueous solution. So obviously in molten state or in aqueous solution, that salt AB will dissociate to give A plus cation and B minus anion. When current is passed through this electrolyte solution, positive ions move towards negative electrode, whereas negative ions move towards positive electrode. So reactions taking place at respective electrodes or at positive electrode, B minus will lose an electron and B will be deposited. The pure B will be deposited. This is loss of electrons, so also known as oxidation. And remember this, oxidation always takes place at anode. So the positive electrode here is anode. So anode is positive electrode in electrolytic cell where anions get discharged into a pure substance. And at negative electrode, that A plus will discharge to give A. A plus will discharge to give A, and gain of electrons is reduction. Reduction always takes place at cathode. So here negative electrode is cathode. Okay. So in electrolytic cell, on passing electricity, that electrolyte will dissociate into respective ions, and respective ions will discharge at their respective electrodes. Anions at anode, that is positive electrode, and cations at negative electrode, that is cathode. Okay.